Hey everybody, so I utilize the free version of Google Colab. So in order to run this, you're going to want the T4, like the GPU enabled. And then so I have to run this kind of like late at night. I've been waiting to make this video because I've been waiting for T4 access. I tried to do this earlier and I tried to run it on CPU, and you definitely don't want to run this on CPU. Just showcasing, first of all, this is the model. It's called Würstchen, and the reason why this model caught my attention is because of the size of it. It's really small. You can see like it takes nothing as far as the resources. To load the model, I should not say nothing. To load the model, it took some resources to get it in here, but this is the free version of Google Colab. 38 gigs of disk space. It's going to get near the max of the GPU when it goes to install, but then system RAM, it doesn't use anything. And then I'll showcase that in a second as to why. But just going through, it takes about 70 seconds or so to generate an image with this. So I'll do a picture of a dog. We can see the picture of the cat here that I have here. And then I'll let this run. See, the last one took 60 seconds. But so while that's running, I can go through the code here rather than just sitting there for 60 seconds. So there's a lot of pip installs in here up front. So it's pip install transformers, pip install torch, diffusers. So it's straightforward there. And then this pip install accelerate, I should point this out. So when I first ran the model, like when I first installed it, it threw this error, and it said that like a soft error, and then it said that we strongly recommend that you install this package. And then when I was like waiting for the model to load, it was taking forever. And so I said, okay, there's a reason why they said they strongly recommend it. So I pip installed this, and then yeah, you want this. It's the bottom line there. And then Gradio. Gradio is what we're looking at, like this, so that you can get this UI here that we're looking at here. I wanted to code this in here for anyone that uses this, and then I'll include the link to this Colab notebook in the description. And then so for like the actual code for the model, very straightforward. From the pip installs that we did, we want to import torch, and then from diffusers we want to import auto pipeline for text to image, and then from Gradio we need a package there. Device equals CUDA. Make sure it's CUDA. You don't want to try to install CPU. You're gonna have a bad time. I have D-type. I have torch float set to 32 right now, so you can adjust this, and you'll get different outputs and settings depending on this. So that's what I'm running here. Same thing here. I've got it outputting to 1024, and then here's the guidance and the scales with this model. They recommend 1024, although they also recommend that you can play around with it. It was trained on different image sizes. So like if you read the model description, I think like 1024 by would be like a 2048 would be like they recommend like playing around with those types of outputs as well. And then now of course it's throwing an error, but and I'll try to work on the error here, but you can see that it was generating output. We have the picture of the cat there. So I do have it running, and in Google Colab within the on the GPU environment, and then I'll get the picture of a dog here loaded up as well. It will take until this video ends, but you saw the picture of the cat. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. And again, I'll put the description of Würstchen here, Würstchen running out of Google Colab in the description. And then again, make sure that you're running it on that T4 because you're definitely going to need it. Thank you very much.